So this is the USD CAD. This is one of the very clean moves from the past week. So we were looking at possible launch from this very low. So you should not be surprised that price did not give us that low. I always tell you, no matter the confirmations you have on a trade, price is always going to do what it's going to do. Your business is to manage your risk and also manage your trade the right way. So at the end of the day, you have more chances of coming back on top. That is what your business is as a trader, managing risk. So that is very important. So in this case here, price did not respect this low. Price broke to the downside. However, this as well is setting up for something really interesting. When you look at the high time frame and study it all the way down, you would notice price is really setting up for something big in this market. On the daily time frame, this is what we have. I told you the daily has been a bullish trend. This has been a bullish trend on the daily time frame, and from what we have right now, price is testing a daily key level. This here is a daily key level in this case. So price is back again into that daily zone. This is the daily zone right here. So at the moment, price is testing a very good daily zone in this market. So with this knowledge right here, we can break it down to the small time frame and look at how we can have a good point of entry in this kind of move. So let's go back down to the H4. So on the H4, this is how it looks. The H4 actually looks really good. It looks really good. And what we can see on the H4 is price did something like this. We had something like this, and then price went all the way to the top, and price came all the way back down. So one important level you need to watch out for is this low right here. This is a very good low here, and with what price has done in this case, this here shows us a lot of potentials to the downside because of what price did over here. This key level here got broken to the downside, and this tells you there is a lot of potentials to continue bearish. However, there is always there are always breaks in the market. There are always corrections in the market. So you should not always expect this to continue bearish all the way from this point. So there's definitely going to be some kind of corrections before price continues bearish, because this in this case has showed us a lot of potentials for short in the long run. However, we may have a short-term correction in this kind of market. So this looks very possible for some corrections before price goes back bearish. And in this case, today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, market is gonna close. So you may have your first TP right here, not to be so ambitious because of the day in the week. Today is Thursday, so you may have your first TP right here, quick profit and close. Then you have your second TP right here. So these are good ways you can set your target in this kind of trade. So for as long as this low here does not break, this actually gives us a very decisive low in this case. There is no reason to second guess this kind of low. It's very clean, so easy to see. So for as long as this low here does not break and you have confirmation, you should know you are good to go in this kind of trade. First TP is right here, this low. You can see there was a lot of struggle right here. A lot of struggle right there. So that is our first TP. You may have a first TP right there, and the second TP is this high over here. So that is TP1 and then TP2. When you look at your profits potential in this case, first TP here is about 100 pips, second TP is about 200 pips. This is a very good one to end the week, if I must say. So you see, when anytime a trade fails, it's set up for another trade. So the end of one setup is the beginning of another setup. That is how the market cycle works. So price fails at this point and comes all the way down to the next key level, and at this key level, price is setting up for another move. So the market is always in motion, and you need to watch out for the right key places, the right key levels to pick your moves. So that is really what has happened on USD CAD. So the next one is the tech service, the private service going on from next week. is going to be covering a lot of these kind of sessions. Also, we'll be having a private Telegram where we can also keep up with whatever price is doing at every point in time. Likewise, I'll be giving support, one-on-one support, and trading help to whoever needs it. So there'll be trading analysis, there'll be setups and opportunities at every point in time, and also there'll be some education as well. Everything I've just done here is really a lot of education for those who have the open mind to grab them, right? So this will be going live. We are taking entries for now, and I believe by next week, Markets Open, we should be good to go live on this. So for those who may be interested in this kind of service, you can just hit me up on Telegram at BB4Rex, and then we can set you up with this service. So that'll be all for now, and we'll be back again another time. Peace.